guys, it's Brick Golder 11 here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some rail fanning on the Amtrak and Union Pacific Railroad. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. If we can get to at least 5 thumbs up, then I'll do a special edition rail fanning where we'll be seeing some different trains than we normally do. So yeah, let's get going. If you do not know, I've got 2 cameras set up. I've got the phone, which of course is the one that you're hearing the audio from, and then at the platform I've got a GoPro going. Here comes Amtrak 62. There it goes. Now we're gonna wait for the next train to come. Alright guys, I'm back. Union Pacific engine 9702 is gonna be coming along the along track 2. And yeah, trying to set up the GoPro, not doing a very good job. Here it comes. It seems someone doesn't want to work. There we go. So yeah, there goes that. Now we're gonna wait for the next train. Alright guys, I'm back. Now Union Pacific 9194 is coming down the main line, and it is pulling just some random cars, some cleaning cars. I'm pretty sure a crane is on there. And yeah, let's just see what this guy's pulling for starters, because I've got literally no clue what he is carrying. Alright, it seems that the train is broken down, so we're gonna need to call in a different unit to carry it along. Alright guys, Union Pacific 9702 came to the rescue, so let's see him pull this train now. There goes that crane that I was saying about. There it goes. So yeah, let's wait for the next train. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure this is the last train for today. It is Amtrak 62, and he is just pulling some Amtrak cars for the commercial train line thingy. Anyways, he's gonna be coming on track 2, so the closer track to us. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. And also, if you hit that like button, guess what? The like button will turn blue. Mind blown, guys. Also, go check out Dillon the Duck's channel. He's my best friend. Mr. Ryley 54's channel. And American Girl Rules channel. She's my sister. And yeah. Bye guys.